Believe It to Achieve It by Brian Tracy and Christina Stein is an inspiring guide to unlocking your true potential. The core message of the book is simple but powerful. What you believe about yourself determines what you can achieve. If you want to transform your life, you must begin by changing your mindset. The authors argue that the biggest limitations we face are not external. They are internal. Most people carry around negative beliefs and emotional baggage from their past. These beliefs shape our identity, limit our decisions, and hold us back from success. The first step toward freedom is to recognize these beliefs and understand how they were formed. Once we become aware of them, we can begin to replace them with new, empowering thoughts that serve our goals. Tracy and Stein emphasize that personal responsibility is key. If you want to change your future, you must stop blaming others or your past circumstances. You are not a victim of your life. You are the author of it. Taking full ownership of your actions and mindset allows you to regain control. The book provides several practical tools to help you build a more successful life. One of the most important is goal setting. The authors suggest that goals must be clear, written down, and reviewed regularly. When you write your goals, you send a signal to your subconscious mind. Your brain begins to focus on solutions and opportunities that bring you closer to those goals. Another key practice is visualization. By imagining yourself already achieving what you want, your mind begins to accept it as possible. This creates motivation and reduces fear or hesitation. Along with visualization, the book promotes the use of affirmations, positive, present tense statements that help reinforce your new beliefs. For example, saying, "I am confident and capable every day," can gradually change your self-image. Forgiveness is also a central theme. According to the authors, holding on to anger or regret keeps you trapped in the past. Letting go doesn't mean you forget what happened. It means you free yourself from being emotionally controlled by it. Forgiveness is for your own peace and healing. The authors explain that everyone experiences fear, doubt, and failure. The difference between successful people and those who stay stuck is how they respond to challenges. Resilience, the ability to bounce back, is something you can train like a muscle. The more you practice optimism, gratitude, and problem-solving, the stronger you become. Throughout the book, Brian Tracy shares motivational stories and examples from his own life and coaching experience. These stories illustrate how people have broken free from poverty, depression, and insecurity simply by shifting their beliefs and taking consistent action. Another powerful idea in the book is the concept of mental fitness. Just like physical fitness, your mind needs regular training. Reading uplifting material, listening to positive audio programs, surrounding yourself with optimistic people. These habits all feed your mind with strength and confidence. In the final chapters, the authors remind us that lasting change takes time. There's no magic trick to success, but there is a formula: belief, clarity, action, and persistence. By applying the strategies in this book, anyone can create a life of purpose, joy, and achievement. In summary, Believe It to Achieve It is a powerful guide to changing your mindset and creating a better future. Brian Tracy and Christina Stein show that your beliefs shape your reality. And by changing your thoughts, you can change your life. The book teaches you to take responsibility, set clear goals, let go of the past, and build new, empowering habits. No matter where you are in life, you have the power to grow, succeed, and become who you truly want to be. With belief, action, and persistence, anything is possible. If you believe it and act on it, you can achieve it. Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and want to improve your life step by step, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Every video here is designed to help you learn, grow, and succeed. Whether it's mastering your money, improving your English, or building a better future. By following this channel, you're not just supporting me. You're helping yourself to become smarter, stronger, and more successful every single day. So, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe, leave a comment, and let's grow together.